Deserved it. Anyway, we have high pressure in charge this week, which means it's actually been quite settled so far. It's quite chilly, but it is settled. We've had plenty of sunshine. This was earlier on this morning at Maida Vale. Lots of blue sky, but you'll notice just sneaking in there a little more cloud. Now, we have got more cloud today in comparison to yesterday, for example. You can see it earlier feeding in on that northeasterly breeze. We're managing in the most part to avoid the showers. They're kind of sticking down towards the southeast or the far southeast. This afternoon, cloud, yes, but still some bright, some sunny spells. The breeze is cool, though. Similar temperatures to yesterday at around 17 Celsius. Then into this evening and overnight, we've still got that cloud. Still a feed of showers as well on the breeze. We're going to hang on to the breeze too here in the southeast. The temperature, it isn't going to be quite as chilly as last night. Low single figures last night for some. 6 or 7 Celsius, though, still single figures. It is going to feel cool in the morning. Now, as we head into Wednesday, still some clouds, still that northeasterly breeze, but gradually we'll start to see the cloud clearing. So a brighter afternoon tomorrow, some more sunshine. It's dry again, and actually, with that sunshine, the wind a little bit lighter, the temperature just sneaks up a tiny bit, 18 Celsius. So we're still at high pressure, starts to drift, however, but in the most part, for much of this week and now into the weekend, it is looking fairly settled. Good evening. Well, it is feeling a little cooler this week in comparison to last week, where temperatures at the end of the week were in the mid-20s. It is feeling chillier this week, but it is fairly settled. Now, I say fairly settled. We've had quite a bit of sunshine. In fact, there was very little cloud first thing, but it has been rolling in, and this afternoon was especially cloudy. We've had a few showers as well. You can see rather dark clouds down in Sutton. Now, as we head into this evening and overnight, we still could get 1 or 2 showers, but they're likely to be confined down in the far southeast. Now, we're hanging on to the cloud, we're hanging on to the breeze. 1 or 2 showers could just clip the Essex coast. Elsewhere, it's largely dry. Further west you go, it's largely dry. A few breaks in the cloud as well. The minimum temperature, not quite as cool as last night. We've got cloud coverage, so around 7 or 8 Celsius. Last night, we got down into low single figures. So for tomorrow morning, again, we've still got that northeasterly breeze. There is some cloud, particularly around the middle part of the day, but it will start to break up and clear towards the end of the day. So we'll get some more sunshine by the end of Wednesday. Still breezy, though. Dry tomorrow. In the sunshine, temperatures just sneaking up with a degree or two, 18 Celsius, the maximum temperature. Now, as we head overnight Wednesday into Thursday, the high pressure, which is bringing these relatively settled conditions, we've got all the weather coming around the outside, just starts to drift out towards the North Sea and out towards Scandinavia. So we will see a bit of cloud overnight. And the cloud for Thursday, there is the potential in there further south and east. Might get a spot or 2 of drizzle, but largely dry. And elsewhere, we have sunshine. That cloud is going to sink south as we head through the course of Thursday. Temperatures 18 or 19 Celsius. Now, we've still got the high pressure towards the end of the week. It's blocking this cold front, so it is looking largely fine and dry through to the evening. Now, there is a bit more cloud around overnight tonight in comparison to last night, so the temperature won't get quite so low. We're looking at a minimum somewhere between 6 and 9 Celsius. Some clearer spells developing. There is a chance for a shower for the coast of Essex, parts of Kent, for example, but most places staying dry. Minimum temperature 6 to 9 Celsius, still in single figures. Then for tomorrow, some sunny spells. Clouds still moving in from the east. It's still fairly breezy tomorrow as well. But that cloud should start to recede further west as we